SQL joins are an integral part of understanding how to query databases. And this is typically a question asked in a lot of developer interviews as well. Let's start with our setup. We have two tables, users and orders. Looking at the users table, we can see that we've got 4 users and we've got their ID and their name. And in the orders table, we've got an ID column, a user ID column, and a total column. And this holds any orders that users may have made. SQL has 3 main ways of joining tables. There is an inner join, a left join, and a right join. These are just ways you can combine tables, but they give you different results. So let's join these tables together, starting with an inner join. But where are we going to join these two tables together? Well, the orders table actually has a user ID column, and we want to correspond that to the matching ID on the users table. Now let's begin to write our query. We want to just select the user's name and the order amount. So we're going to select users.name and orders.total, and we're going to take this from the users table. But this is going to be inner joined with the orders table on users.id equals the orders.user_ID. And the result of this query is that we get this table here. What this has done is has joined the tables by the user ID on both, and it has returned any matching records when both sides match. And you may have noticed, well, we actually don't have Bob or Diana in this table because they don't have any orders. So there would have been no matching records for their user IDs on the orders table user IDs. So to reiterate, inner join only returns the matching records from both tables. What if we did this with a left join? Let's write the same query but as a left join. So we're selecting the name of the user and also the order amount. We are still joining the tables on the user ID of both tables. But we can see here that the results table looks different. We have actually all of the users in this table, even if they don't have an order in the orders table. And this is because when we're using a left join, it still returns the records on the left table, and in this case, that is the users table, even if there's no matching record in the orders table. And this is why we have Bob and Diana showing, but they don't have a total amount. And finally, what if we join these two tables with a right join? The query is very similar, we're just using a right join, and the results table gives us something like this. You can think of this as an opposite of the left join. A right join will return all records no matter if it's matching or not with the left table. So for our context here, even if we've got an order that doesn't have a user, it will still be returned. And to recap, an inner join returns all matching records from both tables, a left join returns all the records from the left table and the matching ones off the right table, and the right join returns all the records from the right table and only the ones that match on the left. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, you might like the rest of my beginner software development content, so go check that out because I've got loads of 2-minute explainers. But other than that, I'll see you next time.